Hello everyone, just a quick video today. I just wanted to announce that I've released my E3D Revo micro mount for the Voron 0.1 with the mini afterburner toolhead. So if you just bought your Revo micro or something like that, and if you're interested in mounting that on a Voron 0.1, this is available on my fork of the Voron users repository, and you can download it, print it, and use it from there. I should mention that this is very close to the stock mini afterburner in terms of its size, but it's not exactly the same, and it also requires a reprint of the belt mount. So yeah, it's just because of the relocation of this one screw I had to move that the threaded insert on the other side as well. So do keep that in mind. But if you're interested in just building a Voron 0.1 from scratch with the E3D Revo micro, or if you really want to upgrade your Voron 0.1 and you're willing to deal with the belt, then yeah, this is available, as I said, on my fork of the Voron users repository, and I've also created a pull request for this. So once this is approved, you will be able to find it on the regular Voron users repository, along with a lot of other mods that I'm also trying to merge. So the E3D Revo micro started shipping to customers, so I thought you might be interested in that. In the meantime, I will continue working on new projects. The thing that's been keeping me from releasing a video in a while is this project that I'm just getting burnt out again, so I'll move on to something else for next week. But I've been working on a video about Voron air filters, not only just mentioning a few options available like the Nevermores and just the filtered exhausts and things like that, but I also comparing the exhaust versus the recirculating filter, and also comparing the functions of active carbon and HEPA and why you need both of them for optimal filtration, etc. I think this could be a really interesting topic, but yeah, this is something I attempted to do back in December and got burnt out, and started attempting it in late January, and yeah, it's just a really difficult topic to cover, so I think I'm giving up on this for now. But I will try to revisit this in the future, and let me know if you're interested in that. But otherwise, next week we will have a different topic, something that I can actually prepare in time. So that's the idea. Anyway, just wanted to make a quick update video since I haven't released anything, and also mention the E3D Revo micro mount for the Voron 0.1. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.